Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Alpha Futures to Tradovate. First, open Alpha Futures in your web browser. Wait for the page to load completely and then log in using your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will see the main interface. Look at the left side of the screen. There is a vertical menu. From that menu, click on the option labeled Dashboard. This will open the dashboard view, where you can manage your accounts and see all the tools available. In the dashboard, look at the top of the screen. You will see an option called Tradovate Prop. Click on this option. When you click on Tradovate Prop, Alpha Futures will connect to your Tradovate account. Now that your Tradovate account is visible, look for the account credentials. These credentials are very important because you will use them to log in to Tradovate. Copy or note these credentials carefully. Make sure you keep them secure and do not share them with anyone. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to the Tradovate website. On the Tradovate login page, choose the option to log in using your Tradovate credentials. Enter the username and password that Alpha Futures provided you. After entering your details, click on the Login button. After that, select the simulation and continue. You will now be connected to your Tradovate account through the official website. Thanks for watching.